The basics: Hyundai is recalling 977,778 Hyundai Sonatas and Sonata hybrids for seatbelts that could detach from their anchor pretensioners, which could lead to an injury. The recall affects 2010 cars including 2011 to 2014 standard Sonatas built from December 11, 2009 to May 29, 2014 and 2011 to 2015 Sonata hybrids built from December 2, 2010 to January 9, 2015. The problem: during manufacturing, some Sonatas may not have had the seatbelt properly attached to the anchor pretensioner. According to the recall information, the seat belt is connected to the anchor after the latter has been installed, and it is possible that the seat belt didn't completely latch onto the anchor during assembly. If the seat belt was not properly attached, it can separate from the anchor during a collision, potentially leading to an injury. Injuries/deaths: Hyundai has reported 1 injury to NHTSA. No deaths related to the recall have been reported. The fix: owners are asked to bring in their vehicles to dealerships to have the seat belt assembly inspected to make sure the belt is correctly latched. If not, the dealer will reattach it properly at no cost to the owner. If you own one, Hyundai will alert owners to the recall by mail starting April 7. Owners can also call Hyundai's customer service directly to ask about the recall at 1-855-371-9460. They can also enter their vans at the NHTSA website to check if their car is included in the recall. Call the basics: Hyundai is recalling 977,778 Hyundai Sonatas and Sonata hybrids for seatbelts that could detach from their anchor pretensioners, which could lead to an injury. The recall affects 2010 cars including 2011 to 2014 standard Sonatas built from December 11, 2009 to May 29, 2014 and 2011 to 2015 Sonata hybrids built from December 2, 2010 to January 9, 2015. The problem: during manufacturing, some Sonatas may not have had the seatbelt properly attached to the anchor pretensioner. According to NHTSA recall information, the seat belt is connected to the anchor after the latter has been installed, and it is possible that the seat belt didn't completely latch onto the anchor during assembly. If the seat belt was not properly attached, it can separate from the anchor during a collision, potentially leading to an injury. Injuries/deaths: Hyundai has reported 1 injury to NHTSA. No deaths related to the recall have been reported. The fix: owners are asked to bring in their vehicle